Hey everybody, this is a really quick look at the practice ammo from Pocket Shot. This is their orange practice ammo. It's a polymer bead, somewhere between 1/4 and 5/16 in diameter. I'm not sure the exact diameter, but it's pretty compact. It's a great choice for just knocking around the yard when you're, looking for an inexpensive ammo that doesn't really carry a great deal of energy. This is not the ammo for hunting. This is practice only. Poking holes in paper and stuff like that, it works fine. We drop one down in the pouch there and give it a ride. And there it goes. It's a great, cheap ammo that you can use up. It's great in catchment boxes where you can harvest them because you can just keep using them over and over again. You can do the same thing with steel balls, but these are cheaper. You're not going to be as upset when you miss your target and lose one. But yeah, that's the orange practice target ammo from Pocket Shot. Not expensive, easy to keep a bunch on hand, and have a good time. So thanks for watching, everybody. You have a great day.